Mr. Mac.
All right, so we have Michael asking, he has a faded or stained Glengarry. Can they be restored or re-dyed?
I remember this question coming in, actually.
I'd say hand wash it or soak it first to see if it's stained. Maybe use like laundry detergent or Palmolive, whatever, dishwashing, hands.
You're wondering if it's like a dust thing or something?
If it's dust or if it's salt stains or something from sweating.
Yeah, okay.
So soaking it would kind of allow that to come out and release it.
Yeah.
In like warm or tepid water, not super hot, not super cold. Can you re-dye it? It's black, so sure, try it. Just make sure you set the dye and don't wear it with the dye still in it. If it's sweating black, remove the tori from it, the ball on top. Remove that before you dye it.
I want to get Mac's input on this a little bit since he's worked with fabrics historically, but my gut reaction is don't try it. I think your chances of getting the dye to set properly in the wool are not good, and you're going to wind up having it bleed a lot. You've got other fabrics in there as well. You've got the whatever the grosgrain that's used for the edges and for the ribbons are made out of.
It may take the dye differently.
You got the liner. Yeah. It will definitely take the dye differently. And the wool itself may actually have been treated with stain resistance, like much of the wool we get from Scotland does. Or it might be a wool blend, depending on where you got the hat from, in which case the dye is not going to set very well at all. I think it's just going to be a mess. That's my personal... Mac, what do you think?
I'm just agreeing with you. I think it's the same thing, because we don't know what that wool's been treated with.
Yeah. I'd say this. Glengarry, $50 to $100 or whatever, around that kind of price range, depending on the Glengarry company. If it's already ruined, or the dye's coming out,
wear it otherwise,
and you don't care, have at it. Like if it was a $500 kilt and you're saying, oh yeah, I want to restore it by doing this. No, if it's an item that's under $100 and it's already ruined-ish anyway, you're not really losing anything by trying.
Yeah,
that's I guess what my point is.
Yeah, I just I don't think it's likely the results will be good. So yeah,
I don't disagree.
Sure you're not worried about not being able to use again, and then maybe experiment with it.
Get a Sharpie. Just color it in.
There's some truth to that. There's some truth
to
that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of rental companies, kilt rental companies,
mm-hmm.
when you dry clean the jackets, the epaulets are made of a cheaper, like satiny kind of fabric than the jacket. And a lot of rental companies will just take a Sharpie, color them in, done. That's good enough.
Yeah, because nobody's going to know.
Exactly.